Hi friends. When we send a video to someone via Facebook, WhatsApp, or email, all of these apps greatly reduce the file size of that video. This way the pixels of that video are greatly reduced and the quality of the video is very low, which makes it unattractive to watch. Let me give you a solution to this problem. So go. Follow the given steps. First, you open Google in any browser. Open the Chrome Web Store. There you go in search bar and type Send Anywhere or Send File Anywhere. Remember, I already installed this extension. You can download and install any one extension. After downloading, its extension will be added to your browser. See top right on your browser. Go to Gmail. Compose email. You will see its extension on the new email window. Click on it. Then if you haven't signed up yet, sign up. Or you can also sign in with Facebook or Gmail. Gmail allow only 25 MB video, but now you can send more than 25 MB video. Here you can attach any video file. The person who will receive your file, it will get the entire file without data loss. Hope you understand well. However, if you have any problem, write in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like. Thanks for watching the video. And subscribe to my channel. Goodbye and take care.